A police officer in a Muslim country wrote the following letter to a sheikh describing the events that he led to his return to Allah. He recalls seeing accidents and crash victims was a normal part of my day. But one incident was different. My partner and I had parked the shoulder of the highway and began to chat. In a random second, the scene shattered to the house height sound of a metal bodies becoming one. We therever we there were heads back to see what had happened ahead on collision. The result of a vehicle slipping into the lane of oncoming traffic. You couldn't describe the carnage. Two young sprawled in the first car, both in critical condition. We carried them gently away from the car and rested them to the ground. Quickly, we returned to the assist. The owner of the second car, he was dead. Back we returned and went to the young man's laying side by side on the pavement. My partner began dictating the shahada to them and say La ilaha illallah. There is no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah. Their tongues wouldn't acknowledge. They started humming the hypnotic lyrics of some song. I was terrified. My partner had experience, however, and he kept repeating his instruction. I stood watching, no movement, eyes locked. Never in my life had I seen anything similar to what was going on before me. In fact, I have never actually seen someone die, and never in such a satanic way. My partner continued to instruct them to say the Shahada, but there was no use. The hum of their song came to the slow silence slowly. The first one stopped and then the other. Not a stair dead. We carried them to our patrol car. My partner made no effort to speak. Not a whisper between us. As we carried the corpses to the nearest hospital. Has not the time arrived for the believers that their hearts in all humility should engage in their remembrance of Allah and of the truth which has been revealed to them, and that they should not become like those to whom was given revelation aforetime, but long ages passed over them, and their hearts grew hard. For many among them they are rebellious aggressors, and the very next of the two. Please subscribe my channel.